Mick Jagger, of course, is considered one of rock and roll's greatest frontmen, but as we first reported last month, a faulty heart valve has now forced him off stage. Now he's nearly a week into recovery following a life-saving procedure. Eyewitness News Health Beat reporter Mark Hiller is here to explain. Mark?
Nick, medical testing showed the most important of Jagger's 4 heart valves was faulty, but instead of having his chest cracked open to fix it, he underwent a minimally invasive procedure that's becoming more and more common. Mick Jagger has been putting his heart into every Rolling Stones concert since the 1960s. But at 75 years old, his heart began to fail him.
Everybody who's getting old is a normal wear and tear of the valve, which is happening. So that happened to him.
Jagger's aortic valve needed to be replaced. Doctors used to do that by cutting through the chest wall, stopping the heart, and cutting the old aortic valve to replace it. But instead of open heart surgery, Jagger underwent what's called TAVR, which stands for transcatheter aortic valve replacement.
And this is a new valve, we'll call this TAVR, which we have placed and pushed the native aortic valve outside, and now we have a fully functional valve.
Dr. Sethi has performed some 160 TAVR procedures in about 2 years. So what makes the procedure a safer choice for patients like Jagger? In most TAVR cases, surgeons guide the catheter through the groin and femoral artery to the aortic valve, delivering and implanting the replacement valve mounted on a stent frame.
Typically, we send the patients home the next day and they get back to their life within a week, so very, very short recovery time.
Dr. Sethi expects the same for Jagger, who's gone from rock and roll poster boy to the new face of TAVR.
There's a lot of education, there's a lot of awareness, the wave of awareness that goes around people, and they actually get to know this procedure better.
Like most TAVR patients, Jagger is expected to face several restrictions up to 3 months and take anti-clotting medication. But through cardiac rehab, Jagger should be able to get back on stage this summer when he'll turn 76. With the Health Beat, Mark Hiller, Eyewitness News.